Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to request edit access on Google Drive. Have you ever run into the frustrating situation where you can see a document or a folder on Google Drive, but find yourself unable to make any changes to it? This is a common issue, especially when files are shared without edit permissions. Thankfully, Google Drive allows you to request edit access directly from the file owner. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step, ensuring you can easily and politely ask for the editing rights you need. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to fire up your web browser and head over to Google's homepage. Once there, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find a small grid icon. This is known as the Google Apps Launcher. With a simple click, a menu revealing various Google services will appear. From this menu, select Drive. Here's a handy tip before we move on. Ensure you are logged in with the Google account that requires access. This is particularly important if you juggle multiple accounts for different purposes, such as work and personal projects. Now that you're in Google Drive, locate the file or folder you wish to edit. If this item was shared with you, it might be found in the Shared With Me section on the left-hand side. Hover your cursor over the specific item and look for the three vertical dots, often referred to as More Actions. Clicking on these dots will open a menu specifically tailored to that file or folder. Within this menu, you will see the Share option. In some cases, you might be required to click Share a second time if a confirmation or a panel appears, as this will open up the sharing window you need. Now, here's the critical part where you actually submit your request. When you lack edit permissions, Google Drive will prompt you to contact the owner of the file. In the sharing dialog, you'll typically see an option to reach out directly, often represented by an envelope icon. Clicking this icon will allow you to start drafting your request message. In the message box that appears, it's important to craft a clear and polite note explaining your needs. You might say something like, "Hi, could you please grant me edit access to this file? Thank you." It can be beneficial to provide a brief context to help the owner understand why you need editing rights and how soon you might need them. Keep your message concise but informative, maintaining a professional and specific tone. If applicable, mention the project name or a deadline to give more clarity. Once your message is ready, hit Send. Your request will be delivered to the file owner, usually via email and also inside their Drive notifications. The owner then has the option to grant you editor access or possibly choose a different permission level if deemed more suitable. You'll receive a notification once they respond to your request. If you find yourself waiting for an urgent change, consider reaching out through other communication channels to give them a polite nudge, but avoid sending multiple requests through Drive to prevent any confusion. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully navigated through Google, launched Drive, selected the correct file or folder, used the Share option, and sent a courteous request for editing access. Once you receive approval, simply refresh the file in your browser, and you'll be ready to make those edits. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to request edit access on Google Drive. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe PMN Online so you never miss an update.